Good morning, Amici Cannis construction fans. We're on our 14th week of construction from groundbreaking to now, and I'm excited to show you how far we've come. It's pretty amazing that we have so much infrastructure here already and on track, actually a little early. So let's take a tour. The building's completely in place, and the roofs and the ceilings and the structure that holds the front glass wall are all here. We're working on walls for all of the rooms. It's really taken shape. So we'll just walk through here and let you see. This is the laboratory, our hallway behind our exam rooms, our pharmacy, manager's office, and our entire treatment area, which looks into all of our surgery suites, our recovery rooms, surgery suites, our ICU ward, which will have glass doors and a glass wall, over the radiology, and back to our exam rooms. Now we're going to go upstairs. So, buenos dias. This is going into the student dormitory and residence, where we have the bedrooms, the bathrooms, showers. We have room for 7 students in here. Buenos dias. This is the living room area and kitchen area for the student dormitory. The laundry room. Another bedroom and bathroom. So in total, we have 7 bedrooms and adjoining bathrooms for the students on the 2nd floor. And they get a view of our local horses and cows grazing. Front half of the 2nd floor, we have our employee lockers and break room. Buenos dias. And our conference and training center. So we can hold large trainings. Up to 50 people can fit in our conference and training center. An office upstairs for visiting doctors, and public bathrooms for the training center. This will all be glass and open, so you can see the beautiful views of Imbabura volcano and of our adorable little town. Thanks for letting me share our current construction update, and I'll be back with you in a couple weeks. See you then.